Bro, why were you bullying that EcoBoost?
Huh?
Why were you bullying him? So I am heading to Maryland right now, and as you guys know, we put the drag pack on Lucifer. I do have to swap out the front wheels because, as I mentioned, the wheels that are currently on Blue are Lucifer's old wheels. I'm not trying to take it on the highway at 80 miles per hour for 3 hours straight. Do you see how low the car sits? That's no bueno on the highway especially. So I'm gonna go ahead and swap these two out really quick. You know, just make sure everything's torqued down, ready to rock. And other than that, I'm all packed up. Wait until we dive deep into this car. We got some big things coming, so make sure if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, drop a boy a thumbs up on this video. Big things coming for Bluetooth valve. Sometimes I forget I even have this car. It's been at the Mirandas for a while now. We're gonna put Lucifer on jack stands just because I feel like this car's easier to put on jack stands. So we got the car on jack stands, and now I'm just gonna have to jack this one up, rip them one off at a time, slap them on, and believe it or not, those will actually fit. Came off my buddy's new Edge. He just bought the rears when he bought a Coyote, so those are gonna fit no problem. One wheel off and two wheels off. Time to get this thing jacked up and let's get these fronts put back on. Thing's almost as big as you. Eric, you are probably cringing right now. This is not how to put on a tire properly. I just gotta send it. Look at the differences between these two real quick. This is exactly why I'm switching them, because I'm going on a road trip and we do not want those on the highway. What do you think? Should I go ahead and air it out for him?
Let's do it.
All right, only stipulation, gotta drop a thumbs up on this video.
Air out for these peasants.
All right, you ready?
Let's do it. You're laying lip, dog.
Oh, shit. Dude, the drag pack looks pretty dumb lowered out. I like it. Well, we got them bolted up, so let's go ahead and lower it now. Booyah! Yo, it actually looks really good like that.
You actually got ground clearance now.
Dude, that actually looks good, don't it?
Yeah.
I like them both. I like both looks, but I'm digging that because it's more practical, it's more safe. Sweet, because they're both SVE wheels, they're both gloss black, and they're both 5-spoke. Come look at it real quick. Those have more of an in-concave, and these kind of come out, but it works perfect because that looks like a drag wheel, because it is. I'll probably keep this for a while because I do have a full drag pack coming for this car that can stay on a skinny. I don't care. As far as this though, for my daily driver and stuff, it's just a lot safer. So now that we got all that done, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up, get these torqued down. I have some huge news for you guys. Now with this news, take it lightly. It's a 50-50 right now due to weather. I'm gonna go ahead and talk to you in the car in just a moment. Do me a favor, park Lucifer right here. Please don't curb a wheel, and take Blue's keys. This goes in Blue center console. This one goes in Lucifer center console. Hurry up, boy. Hey, let's talk about this thing aired out on a drag though, on a skinny. That looks sick, don't it? Yo, you messed this car up, boy. I like. Let me know what you guys think. It looks a lot more dailyable now. Cool deal. Well, go get your ass ready. We gotta go.
Yes, sir.
hours total. I just wanted to go ahead and let you guys know exactly what's going on. And like I said earlier, take this as a 50-50 because weather is everything tomorrow. It make it or break it pretty much. I'm gonna give you guys the rundown anyway, and it's a pretty cool opportunity, and I'm so grateful and so blessed to have this. So many of you may know my friend Jake, also known as Italian Stallion 410. He has the C8, the 2020 C8 Corvette. Well, anyway, a couple months ago, Jake had actually gotten an invitation by the Dobre brothers, and the Dobre brothers consist of Marcus, Lucas, Darius, and Cyrus, and obviously they're all brothers, they're all content creators, and when I say these guys are killing it, guys, they're killing it. Between all 4 to 6 channels they have, I want to say they're probably close to like 30, 35 million or so. When it comes to being a YouTuber, this is as real deal as it gets. These guys have been grinding, and you know, they're really good at what they do, and they love cars, which is awesome. So they invited Jake out a couple months ago, as I mentioned. Jake brought the C8, he raced the Pista, I think the SVJ, and some other crazy exotics, because the Dobre brothers have a pretty sick car collection. And they invited him back out this weekend, and they told him to bring me. So, and that's exactly what I'm doing right now, guys. We are heading to Maryland in Lucifer. Yo, this EcoBoost is getting a little ballsy, man. My turn. Come on, Brandon, give me some room, bro. EcoBoost, he's coming back for more though, bro. Get him, Brandon. Go, Brandon. They don't want it. Sorry if the camera's gonna be blurry, fam, but we just pulled up to Jake's. I had the AC on, so it might fog up because the camera's still cold, but we're gonna go ahead and get this thing parked right quick.
How was the drive?
Oh, way better than last time. Leaving later was the better idea.
What do you eat, M&M's?
This motherfucker was about to get Popeyes at a truck stop.
Popeyes? What's up, guys? What up, what up?
Dude, I forget you live in the cut.
It's in the sticks, bro.
This dude's really trying to test my driving. Come look at these rear tires, right? We're doing like 40 around turns getting it.
On the back road here?
Yes. Oh, dude, I was ripping
Dude,
it.
I saw Bambi's eyes sitting in the grass looking at us.
Oh, was there another deer? I saw the one on the highway. It was fucking eating grass, just chilling.
I know, there was one on the back road.
Dude, that's what scares me about these roads.
That's
Dude, you know there's cougars out here, right?
Hot ass milfs?
No, no, no. Not like an actual cougar.
Really?
That ass.
Hopefully be eating Brandon. All you hear is when you hear
And seen getting dragged away by the bull.
Feed a meatball and Guido.
No, no.
if they chew my shit, bro.
Yeah, they're dead. They chewed my truck again.
No way.
Dead
You
ass.
should just leave car parts laying around.
I
for 'em.
parked right here. Like the invisible fence is right there.
Are we in the firing zone?
Oh, you're in the fire zone. This is all danger.
Bro, why were you bullying that EcoBoost?
Huh?
Why were you bullying him? You didn't even let him get a hit.
I heard you trashed them. You were in fifth gear.
He kept trashing him, dude. He kept trashing him. He wouldn't even let the EcoBoost get a hit. He just gone, dude. Every time I'm in fucking fourth, and I keep up with Brandon. He's like, I'm like, this motherfucker's not going anywhere, dude. I kept looking in the mirror, and I kept seeing him next to you and doing like little bro. He kept doing the pull and going. When he pulled up to me,
I was like, all right, fuck you.
you did it like 3 times. I filmed them all, by the way. Well, guys, we obviously made it to Jake's. And we're gonna go and get everything unpacked, chill for a little bit. I'm not really tired, I just chugged a f***ing coffee.
What's wrong with you?
Hang on, you gotta get the nice.
It's already open.
You gotta tighten it even harder. No, shake. I'm not. Oh shit! Get over there!
No.
That's my car. Don't you dare! You fuck! I will kick your shit.
There you go. There's a nice sound.
Anyway, guys, we're gonna get unpacked, get inside, and then see wherever this vlog goes.
Obviously not down there. The goddamn lights are off.
I can turn them on. There's a switch.
It's like lights, Brandon.